So try to disassemble. There is three screws. One is hidden. Part number is like that. And try to take it out. Maybe it's nothing going out. Yes. Some also goes out. And look what we can see here bad. Okay. I go take this key. So I take this one. If I put this one, it's draining power. If I push it here, I see that I see nothing here. When I put this key, this plastic, it looks like it's going out. But my focus is bad. Yes, and you see it's little out. If I take it out, it's nothing. So could be that this sensor sees something. What we can do? I'm not sure, but anyway, like this you can disassemble it. And you're gonna have like that. So I have took it apart. That one splitted from that. here is holding just these 3 pins in these holes here, like that. So gently I put in between here screwdriver, and little by little moved, and it jumped out. What I found here, I found 3 or 4 light sensors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here is some infrared, I'm not sure, but it's some LED. So now I decide just clean up those all sensors from any dust or something like that, and blow with compressed air. Maybe some small piece hanging somewhere here, and give signal that car is alive and car not going to sleep. So now try to do that cleaning and put everything back, and gonna see how it works. So have used brush, cleaned all sensors, and now gonna try put everything back. Also also blowed with compressed air everything here, maybe some dust also, and this housing I not. Yes, so I'm gonna put it together back like it was, some way here. Yes, and press in that place where is this connectors. Okay. It was too much easy, I don't know why. Way too much easily slide it in. Maybe it's enough. Yes. Those 3 pins. Slide it in. It's not moving. There is no any big current, so must be good. And here it's the same. Yes. I don't make any big changes, so put it together, put in car, and we will see drain disappear or still appear. Yes.